Energy. Allow me to speak. I think the children were quite energetic, all of them. This was very difficult for me. So the qualifiers are very energetic papers. Vibhishana, Hanuman and Angada. It's very easy, very easy. But to pick the winner out of this was very tough. The winner I have picked is Vishwesh Angada. I was applying my mind. Why? Then I felt it is easy to be energetic about Hanuman, but it must be so tough to be energetic about Angada, and he brought so much energy into Angada character. So I thought he deserves the award for that. Next. This was probably difficult for the writers, okay? With so much of interest they have and with so much of material they have, it is so difficult for them to be very sharp and very limited, okay, but very crisp. Give the punch, bring the message, but keep it very crisp. So the qualifiers here are, I found only 2 papers were really crisp, Kuyilum Kuralum and Lakshmana. And the award goes to Lakshmana Hiranmai. Good. Next one. Finally, some people ask me, among the 8, which is the best? Okay. I said all 8 are best for me because they are my students and they have been done along with me. But still, the papers are all important for me. All 8 are important, all 8 are equal, all 8 are best. But the journey is very important. As a teacher and as a guide, for me, the journey, how the paper was evolved over the 6 months, that was very important. There, I can't say all are same. They are not the same. Some people evolved it very well. Some people evolved it in some medium level way, and some people evolved it in a very short way. So I wanted to give weightage for some key criterion which I feel as a teacher, as a guide, and based on those criterion, I arrived at the paper for the best journey, the paper with the best journey. The criterion are, number 1, as a teacher, I want the children to attend classes. So that is the most important, weightage 40% for that. Attending classes is the most important criterion, because you can't do a paper but not attend classes. It's not done. It's not done. Okay. So 40% weightage for me as a teacher is those who attend the classes. Then 15% weightage for those who have developed the paper with lot of interaction with me, with lot of interaction with the guide. Okay, that is because a paper is different from an article. You can sit and write one article in a matter of 3 hours, but a paper is not something. Paper needs to be cooked. It needs to be evolved. Along with it, along with the guide. Okay. Then I said, no copy paste, or if it is so difficult, minimal copy paste. Even that is not acceptable to me, but no, or at least minimal copy paste. Other one is, I said you may pick up a lot of information from various other sources, but our core study is on Valmiki Ramayana. So how much the paper is based on Valmiki Ramayana, that is again important. Okay. Then the next factor is timeline discipline. There are people who are following my deadlines, and there are people who are constantly breaking my deadlines, etc. It was fun, but nevertheless, I wanted to give a higher mark for those who followed the deadlines and followed the timeline discipline. And finally, the topic, how relevant it is to the theme that I had given them. So based on all these factors, I am not going to give you details of all these papers and how they perform. against this. But based on all these factors, the trophy for the paper which was having the best journey goes to. All of them are saying Anand. How are you saying Anand?
Almost everything he went for the qualifier.
I think we adults should learn from children. See, the happiness with which they are saying. One of them is winning and they are predicting also. I think that innocence and the happiness. We should really learn from them. I think this boy, he was working in the best way. The journey I really enjoyed. Plus, most important is right from day one till today, he has not missed classes. Classes are tough for everybody. But this boy, after having, Ranganji said, your mood changes when you shift from one place to another place. This boy has shifted from Singapore to Chennai. Similarly, Anirudh. We especially appreciate the 4 children. Anand, his sister Anaga, and Anirudh and his brother Akshit. All 4 of them we really appreciate, because even though they moved from Singapore, they have not missed any class even till today. Over Skype they attend many classes. And I am very happy that the best journey, paper with the best journey award goes to Anand Narasimhan. On that note, I am very glad to conclude my talk of conclusion with a vote of thanks, with a lot of happiness, and I look forward to next year's event. Once again, a very big thanks to Sri Ranganji for patiently being with us and for motivating every step of our journey here. Please give him a very big Jai Sitaram.
Thank you so much, Mama. I think you have given a very big surprise for all the children. Not only that, I think they're going to relate their papers in a very different dimension from today. I think they all own those things very proudly. Thank you everyone for your support and encouragement for these young children, parents and teachers. These youngsters definitely need your motivation to carry forward the legacy of Valmiki Ramayana and continue their learning under the guidance of Prabhakarji and the teachers. One small announcement, we have been doing this often. Excuse me for that. Those who would like to contribute, kindly do so in the box behind. It's kept at the back. And now, we would like to conclude today's program with the Mangalam medley by our children and later joined by the parents and the teachers of Ramayana Forum. Jai Sitaram. Children.